Welcome to day number 18 of my personal projects advent calendar. Today we're going to look at one of my old birthday presents actually, and that is this ArchLinux light sign here. It is something a friend specifically made for me, so there's no other one on this planet. Very cool, pretty much the best birthday present I ever got. Basically it is just like, you can see this cut plexiglass sheet here, nicely CNC milled. A wooden base, and then there's 25 WS2812B LEDs along the bottom, and it's all powered through USB. So let's see whether we can take it apart here. So here it is without the plexiglass on top. Let's unplug this so that it doesn't swamp the camera. Here you can see the PCB, very nice home-edged board, USB plug on the left, some passives, an 80 MB microprocessor, just crystal, and then up here you can see the LEDs. Single-sided layout, so nothing on the bottom. We've got some jumper over here. This one is currently set to enable or disable the bootloader, so we can do firmware updates over USB. This one over here is just an expansion header if I wanted to connect it to something else. I got this thing as a kit, so I had to assemble it myself and write the firmware myself, but everything was done by my friend. Very, very nice. And if you're watching, thank you very much again. That is really one of the best birthday presents I ever got. Thank you. By the way, now it sits here next to my measuring equipment connected to my PC, so essentially it's a large PC power LED now. Great. Alright, I think that's about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow.